So how can you add optical flow to your video? So what you're gonna have to do is first select your video. You're gonna have to go here to speed change, and then here I'm gonna set the speed to 25%. Enter, and then here now, as you can see, it doesn't look good at all. So to fix this, we're gonna have to go to here retime process. Sorry, just look for retime process right over here. We have retime and scaling, and then here in retime process, just change this to optical flow, and then here to motion estimation, we're gonna have to change this to enhanced better. All right. And now look at the difference. There is a huge difference, as you can see. So let's play the video. And now look at this. I think it looks quite good. Really nice effect. You can add here maybe some text, you know. Can add the text something here and right here, life. So yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and take care.